Hello everyone, I'm here with AccessPress Social Pro plugin today. It is a premium WordPress plugin with twofold benefits, which means this is a plugin that comprises the feature of AccessPress Social Counter and AccessPress Social Share. AccessPress Social Counter extracts the number of fans, subscribers, and followers of your social media accounts and display them on your website. While with AccessPress Social Share, anyone can easily share website content on their major social platforms. So, if you're looking for a WordPress plugin through which you can share your website content on all major social media platforms, show total number of likes, followers of your social media account, for example, Facebook likes, Twitter followers, Instagram followers, or share page post on social media with customization, integrate social share to more than 28 major social platforms, or show fans, followers, likes, statistic of more than 26 major social platforms, or increase your social media reach dramatically, then this is the plugin for you. Here with AccessPress Social Pro, we have got abundant number of features which would be best beneficial for your website. To name some of the features, here we have 40 beautiful inline themes for social share, 28 beautiful sidebar themes for social share, 42 beautiful inline themes for social counter, and 25 beautiful sidebar themes for social counter. It also uses the latest APIs, URL shorteners, and cache settings. So to be specific about social share features, we have 25 new social share template, as you can see some here. We have got 8 new social medias for social share along with other famous social media platforms. This plugin will be perfect for website, newspaper, and blog sites. Some of the social share inline templates here we have mentioned. As you can see, we have 40 inline layout. We have floating layout of 28 templates. And we have trigger layout of 6. So some of the other social fans, followers count features are, we've got 22 new social counter templates. We have just recently added 7 new social medias for social counter. And it has got inline templates of 42, while we have floating layout of 25 templates. So if you're wondering which social media platform does this plugin includes, then there is no worry because we have included all the famous social media platforms along with other as well. As you can see, we have 28 plus social media platforms. So some of the features which makes it more appealing and interesting to be used on your website are, it is URL shorteners, which basically makes your share link substantially shorter using any one of the 4 URL shorteners compatible with our plugin. It generates shortcodes so that you can display your social share anywhere on the site. It has got a floating sidebar social share, which is basically on left top, left middle, left bottom, right top, right middle, and right bottom. So it has also got a pop-up option, or basically a pop-up feature for your website, just like this. And some of the other features are, it is widget ready, shortcode ready. In here we can enable or disable floating sidebar on mobile, display locations, display options. It is WooCommerce and BuddyPress compatible. It has got animation effects, cache settings, drag and drop ordering, import or export settings, show high total counter or individual counter, customization options. It is multilingual ready and it's very much responsive. So till now we have 1200 plus sales and we have collected 47 positive response from our dear customers. Some of the happy customer feedbacks, as you can see here, who are very much appealed by this WordPress plugin that we are offering for their site. So all these features and in just $16, which you can get directly from our website, that is accesspressthemes.com, where you need to go to WordPress plugin and search for our plugin AccessPress Social Pro and get your copy from there. Or you can go to codecanon.net, where you need to search for AccessPress Social Pro and get yourself this amazing plugin. Thus, if you're looking for a plugin which can make your website's content social share friendly and increase your social media reach, then AccessPress Social Pro is the one for you. So I hope this video has been helpful to you in understanding your need of this plugin on your website and how much it can dramatically increase your social media reach. Thank you.